for this area. Wetin dey happen now? I no see bike since morning when I stand for here. God. Jesus.
Oh, bros. How far?
I do.
Which carry you come our area now?
Nah, they wait for bikes since morning.
Fine. And they wait for you. Bros, I don't wanna lie, this area not good.
Yeah, no good.
No good at all, bros. I don't feel like for you now, shoe. I see like this now, Let's just come on like this, like just come on your phone for your hand like this. So I feel like for you, bros now. Before you go even talk like this, you don't come on your
Jesus. For this area.
And they tell you now, I feel like for you.
Wait. This guy like this don't disappear. It's my phone. Hey! So women they like this.